Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about trees in data structure. The tree data structure is a collection of nodes connected by edges. Each node contains a value or a data which may or may not have a child node. The first node of the tree is called root. If this root is connected with another root, this root is called parent node, and the node is connected to its child node. When the operations are performed in a linear data structure, the complexity rises as the data size increases. On the other hand, the tree data structure provides make quicker access to the data, which is a non-linear. Let's understand some terminologies associated with it. So there are this is the basic data structure of a tree. So these are some, like, this is a root where the first node is there, and these are the edges, and these are the siblings like 5 6, and these are like the leaves, like where the single there is no further childs are there, so these are leaves. So for example, 2 is parent, so 2 is a 2 of child, 5 and 6 are 2 of child and parent of 5 and 6. Okay, so this is the basic structure of a tree. Types of tree data structure. There are different types of tree data structure, that are binary tree, binary search tree, AVL tree, and B tree. Some important terminologies here in the trees data structure. Path. Path refers to the sequence of nodes along the edges of a tree. Root. The node of the tree is called root. There is only one root per tree, one path from the root node to any parent. Any node except the root node has one edge upward to the node called parent. Child node. The node below a given node connected is called child node. The node which does not have any child or the is called leaf. Subtree represent the descendants of the node. Visiting refers to the checking of the control is on the node. Traverse means passing through the nodes in a specific order. Level of the nodes represents the generation of the node if the root nodes is at the zero level. These are the levels. If you like our channel, uh, to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.